Have you ever thought that the money you work so hard for, the money on your bank card, isn't actually yours? Sure, you earned it, but your access to it can be restricted by a bank or a government at any time. What if your bank decides you can't send your money where you want, or if they freeze your account? These aren't theoretical questions. They're real risks. And we haven't even talked about inflation yet. Your money's value is slowly, subtly, and surely being melted away. And what about international transfers? You know how annoying it is when you want to send money to a friend abroad and it takes days to go through, not to mention all the hidden fees? Doesn't that drive you crazy? This video isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about how to take back control of your own finances and why cryptocurrencies give you the key to do just that. Cryptocurrencies can be the most important tool on this journey. Their most crucial secret is decentralization. This means there is no central authority and no banks. Transactions happen directly between two people, like you're handing money to someone, but it's digital and it can be anywhere in the world. This is freedom. You decide what happens with your money and no one can tell you otherwise. Crypto is built on a massive public digital ledger called the blockchain, which is impossible to alter. Every single transaction that happens on the network is recorded. This trust is based not on a central institution, but on the system itself. That's what makes crypto one of the most reliable forms of money. Plus, international transfers that used to take days are now happening in minutes, and the fees are ridiculously low. And now for the most important part, the traditional money we know is constantly losing its value. Why? Because central banks can print an unlimited amount of it, and the more money there is in circulation, the less your savings are worth. This is the problem that Bitcoin offers a brilliant solution to. Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, built in a limit from the very beginning. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. There will never ever be more than that number. This limit is the most important difference, and it's why so many call it digital gold. Just think about it. If a certain asset can never be duplicated, it becomes more and more valuable over time. Bitcoin is a tool that, by its very nature, protects your wealth from the devaluation of money. It's like a digital vault whose contents don't inflate away. Unlike fiat currencies, Bitcoin is not a pawn of some central authority. Its supply cannot be increased by a single decision. This is a type of money that, through its scarcity, preserves its value over the long term, and that's precisely why it's the most ideal solution against inflation. But the crypto world isn't just about Bitcoin. There are stable coins which, true to their name, hold a stable value because they are tied to a traditional currency like the US dollar. The most well-known ones like Tether or USDC are always worth exactly $1. This is the point where the banks had to accept reality. They see that with these stablecoins, you can send dollars anywhere in the world in minutes and for almost no cost, bypassing their slow and expensive systems. Stablecoins are the bridge between the crypto and traditional financial worlds. Experts say that banks will soon be launching their own stablecoins, which clearly shows that crypto is no longer just a future dream, but a present-day reality. Cryptocurrency isn't a lottery ticket that will make you rich overnight. It's a tool that allows you to take back control of your finances. The most important thing is to get informed, keep learning, and don't fall for false promises.